Mexico?
Yes.
Oh, well, that's nice. When did you go to Mexico?
I was joking. I got it from the Spanish room one day.
Oh, you were joking?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
It was this deal de los Muertos, I think.
Yeah. I see. You look very nice. You look nice. Hey, Gabby, how are you?
I'm good, Mr. Alasa. How are you?
Good. Okay, we're gonna wait, and then we're gonna go over the assignment yesterday. You know, problem number one. I didn't see it. I think they gave you extra for 8 of 1. The graph is the swastika is increasing, so the oxidation is 1. Gabby.
Hi.
Yeah, you want? 8 plus 2G.
I will be studying because I need to practice some FRQs. My hair is like a mess right now, but we're just gonna deal with it. What's up, everyone? Just finished eating and stuff like a while ago, and I had to sit for a bit because I was gonna fall into a food coma. But my teacher just posted my assignment. It's 3:18 and my class with a student is at 4, so I don't know how this is gonna work out, but I will work as fast as I can now, so enjoy this time lapse. Start class. Bye.
Don't hesitate to call on me for anything. Like you said, a human being, I'm going to make you take that chance. Things have been different for me ever since I met Hildy. I've never met anyone quite like her before.
I filled up back to back. I'm gonna highlight this part when I'm done. I'm gonna move on to this yellow one, which is making me kind of excited. So, yay. So I just took a shower after working out and end the video here. This is realistically what I do every single day. I'm not really doing much. I'm primarily just studying being like a good student. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys stay safe and stay indoors. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you all keep growing. Bye.